For more than 60 years, ARCO has been the trusted source for OEM quality or better alternators, inboard starters, outboard starters, and tilt trim motors. We've set the gold standard in products. From design through order fulfillment, all the ARCO processes happen at our headquarters in Pensacola, Florida. Not many of our competitors can say that. So let's take a few minutes. I want to take you through the operations and processes at ARCO so you can see how we build and assemble our quality products. ARCO's engineering team brings more than 30 years experience in motor design and electronic manufacturing processes. They work closely with our manufacturing teams and verify each stage of the product build. They also assist in the design of test stations and custom fixtures for the production areas. Their support assures that ARCO products will be designed and manufactured to the quality standards you have come to expect from us. Our procurement department works to source the quality components used in every ARCO product. Their years of experience and technical knowledge of our product line means our parts are built using the very best components available. They also build relationships with our material suppliers, so these suppliers understand our mission. They must provide the best components for the ARCO product build. ARCO Marine has their own machine shop. This team helps with the design modifications to the raw goods, as well as preparing some of our starter housing and components of our products to meet the ABYC specifications. They also build specialized fixtures for the production area, and they are readily available to assist the ARCO team with any machining project given to them. The ARCO team of technicians are focused on building the best product for the marine industry. Their attention to detail at each stage of the build process is excellent. At each stage of manufacturing, the product is tested for acceptance before it moves to the next manufacturing process. This group of individuals work together to assure the ARCO product meets our standard of excellence. ARCO products are designed to withstand the harsh marine environment. The components used inside these products are zinc coated. This clear coating gives you a solid layer of protection on the internal parts, but we take it one step further. After the final build and the product passes all dynamic tests, the parts are then epoxy painted. This second layer of marine grade paint gives another layer of corrosion prevention to the finished part. Here the product is inspected and packaged. Here also all hardware and instructions are added, and the product is labeled, ready for our customer. With products readily available, our goal is to ship all orders within 2 days of receipt of order. So, I've taken you through the processes and a lot of our departments here at ARCO Marine, and I hope you've seen how ARCO truly sets itself different from the competitors. Also remember, ARCO builds to a 6 to 12 month forecast, so we have the product available on the shelf. Now, how easy is it to purchase an ARCO product? Simple, go to our website, arcomarine.com. There you can search for the product you need and add it to the cart. Or visit one of the authorized dealers who typically stocks an ARCO product. ARCO products are available through marine distributors and e-commerce channels as well.